Now look at this image. There's a slight color cast. Let's press Ctrl+M to open the curves option. Now you can see the man's shirt is black if you pick the black eyedropper. And click randomly on the image. For example, if we click here, you'll notice that the dark area of the image turns completely black. That's because it's setting that point as absolute black zero value. Similarly, if you know the little girl's dress is supposed to be white, and you select the white eyedropper and click on her dress, the image clicks and turns white. To solve this problem, we developed our own technology. Let's check it out by bringing the image into PixMaster. Here in PixMaster, you also have white and black point correction tools. We'll select the white point. If the hand tool is already selected, we'll switch to the Move tool first and then choose the white point. Now, while pressing Alt, click anywhere in the lighter area. You'll see it removes the color cast from the lighter parts without blowing them out. Similarly, for black point, you don't need to hunt for the darkest black areas like inside the eyes or hair. We'll simply click on a lighter part of the black shirt while holding Alt. You can see the color cast from the black areas is also removed without turning anything completely black. Shadows, highlights, and black areas are all preserved properly. Here's the before and after. Now we'll take this corrected image back into Photoshop. You can see how easily the color cast was removed. You just need to identify approximately where the black and white areas are. You don't need to find perfect black or pure white points. Next to the white box, you'll notice a skin color box. This corrects the overall color of the image based on skin tones. Now, while holding Alt, click on a Midtone skin area. You'll see it automatically adjusts the image based on the skin tone and gives you a much better starting point for further corrections. This Auto Skin Correct feature is currently in version 1, and in future versions, it will be trained with many more skin tones for even better results. Let's test it on another image. Again, hold Alt and click on a Midtone skin area. You will see the image is automatically adjusted based on the skin tone. You can also slightly increase the exposure if needed and fine-tune further using color balance. We are just showing you some examples here to explain how the tool works. In this image too, we'll hold Alt, click on the Midtone skin, and you will see the proper skin tone is restored. In this example, it seems this area should be white. So we'll select the white point and click on the white part of the dress. If it still doesn't look perfect, you can fine-tune it. Select the gray point and click on a neutral area to correct any slight color cast. You can see the image looks much more balanced now. Then, select the black point and click on the hair to set the correct blacks. Now, the image looks much more natural. Next, we can adjust brightness contrast if needed, maybe slightly increase the gamma, and then use Auto Black Correct. You can see the image looks much better than before. Here's the before and after. We'll again select the white point and, while holding Alt, click on the dress. Click as many times as you want until you're happy with the result. There's no limitation. Finally, select the skin tone correction, hold Alt, and click on a Midtone skin area. You can see how easily and naturally you get a much better result just by setting the white point and skin tone.